Hello YouTube fans, welcome to my channel. This is an unboxing video on the Theragun Pro Plus handheld massager by Therabody. This is their top of the line massager. This one actually has the heat, and it also is Bluetooth enabled, I believe. In all transparency, this is actually the second unit that I have. The first unit unfortunately had some problems with it. Although it took some time to get that resolved with Therabody, they were able to finally send me a brand new replacement unit, and I do appreciate that, Therabody. So let's go ahead and open the box. You can kind of get a sense of what you can get if you were to purchase this, and I do recommend this, by the way. And it was purchased. Was not something that was given to me. Let's see if we can get this thing opened. Get the plastic. So you can see it's still in the original plastic wrap from the manufacturer. So you get to see this as I open it, which is kind of exciting. For those of you who like unboxing videos, I guess. Let's go ahead and get the plastic off. Okay, we'll set that aside. So, nice little box. Has a little, I guess, our story on one side of it. The other side kind of goes over the various benefits, I guess, and use of this. And again, it's Bluetooth enabled, biometric sensor, heat therapy, vibration therapy, LED light therapy, and percussive. Now, the percussive on this, I tend to like compared to some of the others that I've used. For some reason, this one tends to go deeper, and it feels a lot more like I'm getting, a good massage using this particular brand. So let's go ahead and open this. I think it just slides out. It's always hard to get these things. You'd think I know how to do this since this is the second one I've had. But, okay, well, we've ripped the box, so I'm going back now. And let's go ahead and dump it out here. Alright, so that's just kind of a collar. Alright, so here's the box within a box. And let's see here. Stabilize the camera. And let's go ahead and open this sucker up. Let's see here. Okay, there we go. So you can tell this is a true unboxing video. Kind of figuring out how to open this thing a second time. On camera. If I keep the camera from moving. All right, here we go. So I remember now you basically have this little insert that tells you kind of how to use the various components. And then it comes in a nice little case that you see here. And the case unzips. And it also has the different attachments that you can put on the gun. You can see those there. It has a little visual of what those are as well. If you were to look there, you can see this is the one that I tend to use the most. It has the heat. So that's that. And the box again is just I think this has some paperwork in it. If you like reading paperwork, then that's where you'll find that. All right, so let me move this out of the way. Got some limited space here, and let's go ahead and get the Theragun out. It's actually, I believe it's on this side here. Yep, it's on this side. So there it is. Brand new Theragun. Has a little readout here that I guess it's got a QRS code that you can scan, or give you a tutorial on how to use it. That's where the light is. It has USB-C charger, which makes it real good. And kind of compact. At first I was a little hesitant on this because I was like, how would I be able to like use this to massage my back, for example? But it actually does work, and you just kind of grab it in the different areas of this triangle, and you can get it to pretty much touch any part of your shoulder or your back that you need to. So I'm not going to actually turn it on because I think there's probably a lot of videos already for that. But that's just the unboxing video on the Therabody product, the Theragun Pro Plus. This one has a heat. And if you're in the market for something like this, again, this is not a sponsored video. I just do this as a hobby. And for those products that I think others may have an interest in, I don't mind putting together a video on it just to let people know what to expect if they were to purchase this. All right. Well, thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and have a great day. Bye.